We're now going to look at the general formula for the area of a triangle. To do so, let's start by drawing a triangle and labeling the base length b and the height h. So I'm going to draw a triangle, and I'll just draw in some three-sided figure. There we go. Okay, so I have my triangle drawn. Now, the height, I've got my base b. I'm going to label this down here. The height comes from a line that forms a right angle with the base, and that's critical to the formula. The height has to be measured in that way. So I form a right angle with the base, and that denotes my height. And I'll label that with h. So as we looked at in our numerical example, we can do something similar with putting this triangle inside a rectangle. So I'm going to draw a rectangle around this. Go through there, and then I'll form on this last side. Okay, so as I can see, looking at this first part, if I break this into two rectangles, I'll just highlight this first one. I can see that that right triangle is clearly half the area of that first rectangle. And this next right triangle is clearly half the area of that other rectangle. So total, this triangle that I've drawn is half the area of this larger rectangle. And again, what I know about rectangles is that this height through the middle will be identical to this height on the edge. So my area for any rectangle with height h and base length b will be 1/2 times base times height.